The town of Dambulla is home to the largest and best preserved cave complex in Sri Lanka. While there are more than 80 documented caves in the half-acre surrounding Dambulla, there are 5 major caves that draw the most visitors, because each of these caves contains a sprawling temple. A recurring image throughout the complex is Buddha. He can be found in golden statue form, measuring nearly 100 feet long. The Cave of Kings contains over 55 different statues, with the largest one measuring 50 feet tall. In another cave, there is a ceiling with over 1,500 paintings of Buddha on it. In addition to the frequent presence of Buddhas, there are also statues and depictions of Sri Lankan kings and other gods and deities throughout. The cave temples have existed for over 22 centuries and in recent years have undergone conservation efforts to ensure they are around for many centuries to come.